Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Human-Centric Smart Iron Box Controller, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project is very helpful in ironing clothes with safety. It will save your clothes from getting burned from the iron. The accelerometer and a gyroscope sensor is used to detect motion and position of the iron. The sensor will send information to the wireless control unit. The iron box will turn off if motion is detected or the iron is placed horizontally. The project is in two parts. One is the sensing part, that is a transmitter, and the other part is the triggering part or the receiver. The transmitter sends sensor information, that is the motion and position of the iron, to the receiver via ESP-NOW protocol. If the iron is not moving or in the horizontal position, the receiver will trigger the relay and turn off the iron automatically. The components used in the transmitter of the project are MPU6050 sensor, which works on I2C communication protocol and is used to detect motion of the iron along the X and Y axis. MPU6050 also detects the horizontal and vertical position of the iron. An ESP32 board to which MPU6050 is connected, a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, and TP4056 to charge the battery. The components used at the receiver end are an ESP32 board on which the code will run, a 30 amps T-type relay to turn off the iron when not in use, a 5V AC to DC power supply to power up the receiver module. Let us see the demonstration of this project. I am ironing this shirt. While ironing, I forgot to turn off the press and put it vertically. But you can see the press turns off automatically since no motion is detected and the press is positioned horizontally. Now I have kept the press in the vertical position and the press turns on. Interested in developing your own human-centric smart iron box controller? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.